Struggling to pay your credit card bill? Here is a step-by-step guide on how to pay your credit card bill online in just a few taps. Log in to PayZapp. From the Bills and Recharges section, tap on the credit card option under the Financial Services category. Next, choose your credit card provider's name from the given list or use the search bar for the same. Then, enter your credit card number and tap on Continue to add your credit card account. After your details have been verified, enter the bill amount, apply any relevant PayZapp offer and swipe to pay. And there you go. You have paid your credit card dues in just a few taps. Now that you know how to pay your credit card bills swiftly, enjoy the numerous benefits that come with PayZapp. Your card details are saved securely, so you don't have to enter them every time. Just tap, pay, and your credit card bill is settled instantly. PayZapp offers a simple, robust, and easy-to-use interface without any technical challenges. PayZapp provides rewards and cashback on app payments, including credit card payments. And you even get streamlined customer support. You can manage your credit card bills from anywhere effortlessly with PayZapp. One app for all payment choices.
PayZapp by HDFC Bank. Pay your way.